How to delete text in PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can delete text in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. In order to do so, first of all, open your Adobe Acrobat application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now here, open the PDF file you want to edit, or if you want to upload a new one, simply hover your cursor over the create option at the top left corner of your screen, and then from the pop-up menu, here select open files. Now you'll be able to select the PDF from your device. Select your PDF, and once you reach this page here, click on this edit option at the top left. After that, you will need to click on the text you wish to delete in this PDF. You can either highlight the specific words or select the entire text box. After that, click on the trash bin icon at the right side, or you may also click on the backspace of your keyboard. You may also highlight it and then click on the backspace in order to remove that word. Also make sure you have subscribed to the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat here, or else you might not be able to delete it. After making the edits, remember to save it to keep the changes. This process helps you to precise editing of text within your PDF and making it straightforward to remove the unwanted content. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete text in PDF document using Adobe Acrobat. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.